Babies do it.
Deanna, do you like your baby bottle?
Oh, I ain't gonna put nobody over my back and try to pat the back and get it to go.
Deanna, you gotta suck on it.
She only has her teeth.
Deanna, you can't use your teeth.
She's got it between her teeth. Lizzie's got almost half of hers gone.
Hi, Lizzie.
I can see these popping up on the internet.
YouTube along with all the other ones.
Oh, you make it no words.
Why is it so quiet?
Oh, their mouths are busy. Hey, we know how to have a good... When I want to do a Bible teaching, this is what we'll do.
Deanna, come on, you like root beer. Drink it faster. Holy crap, Lizzie.
Tell you, Lizzie's going to have hers down. Lizzie with the boy bottle too, look.
That's how jealous my blue bottle.
Aw, Lizzie.
Dripping. Stop it.
Lizzie.
I think mine has a smaller hole. I can't get it out.
Bite the end of it.
Really?
That's
not what I'm doing. I just... I feel like a little animal, like...
That's what Deanna said, bunch of little gerbils. Lizzie's gonna be darn soda first, I can tell you that right now.
I think you won. Lizzie won.
I'm done.
Lizzie won.
Lizzie won getting it out.
I'm not burping.
She's not gonna burp.
I just wanted soda in a bottle.
Go, Missy, go.
Uh-oh. Deanna looks like she's gonna be second.
I'm done.
Whoa.
I don't know.
I think Tim's gonna beat Deanna.
Not me.
Cindy.
Like you.
Cindy still got a bottle left.
It's not coming out. It's Lizzie, me.
Does your mom mind if Sydney drinks on her way home?
Deanna, burp.
Now, what word was that?
Twinkle. Well, I already said the first few. That is not my first word. Oh, I dripped! Oh my gosh, she's doing it.
I got the star.
Yeah, Tim got the star.
Line.
Tim did better than Deanna.
Heather's here!
Just spit it in the trash. How far are you?
I think Tim has this. I think Tim has Deanna beat.
Oh my god, it's gonna come out my nose. It's embarrassing. Oh my god, I'm breathing it in, I'm breathing it in.
Yeah, I think Tim won.
I had an air bubble. I got soda in my eye. Yeah, you got it in my eye too.
She got us two first.
I was like, alright, I'm ready.
I still think Tim has it. Did you get the whole song?
I'm gonna stick with the nozzle.
No, just leave the nozzle off. Drink it. Drink it. And we'll
How did that just work?
That's not how you did it. When you took the thing.